Good morning. In this video, we are going to study about surface treatments, especially surface coating techniques from the subject surface engineering. I am David, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Ravani College of Engineering and Technology. Surface coating techniques. Mostly, special surface treatments are needed for metal surfaces, especially steel surfaces. In order to have the desired optimum properties, there are various techniques for surface treatment, but the most common ones are surface coating methods. So these are some common surface coating methods, that is galvanizing, electrochemical coatings, vapor deposition, conversion coatings, thermal spraying. Vapor deposition methods for metal surfaces. The vapor deposition methods utilize vaporization and condensation processes for making thin film layers. The desired metal first evaporated and condensed on the target surface. Vapor deposition methods divided into two groups, that is chemical vapor deposition and physical vapor deposition. These are some types of physical vapor deposition, that is sputter deposition, electron beam PVD, thermal evaporation deposition, cathodic arc evaporation, pulsed laser deposition. So sputtering deposition, the machine coat a thin film coating on the substrate in the sputtering deposition process. In this process, sputtered high energy ions will fly towards the substrate ballistically and get deposited layer by layer to form the coating. The advantages are no atmospheric pollution, no heated parts, available for high melting point coating substance materials. The substrate can be coated upside and downside. Target coating substances can be used again and again. Some disadvantages are the process is complicated. The chamber also gets coated during the process, may produce impurities on the surface of the substrate, and it is very costly. Then electron beam PVD. In this process, a high-speed electron beam converts the coating substance into the gas phase. Then the gas vapors are deposited on the substrate surface. The procedure takes place in the line of sight, which means if you want to coat the upside of the substrate, then you need to turn it upside down so that the upside can face the vapors, and the same process goes for the other sides. The advantages are no atmospheric pollution, higher material utilization. The disadvantages are can produce unnecessary coatings in the chamber, needs very low vacuum conditions. Certain materials are not suitable. The next type of deposition is thermal evaporation deposition. In this process, a filament is used to heat and evaporate the coating substance in the vacuum chamber. The gas vapors and then deposited on the substrate surface. Advantages are simple process, high deposition rate than others, no atmospheric pollution overall, more affordable than other processes. The disadvantages are can only be used for low melting point materials, need a water cooling system for substrate, only the line of sight deposition is available. Then cathodic arc evaporation method. This process is also very famous. In this process, the electric arc evaporated the target coating substance. Then the vapor get deposited on the substrate surface. The advantages are environmental friendly, uniform thickness of the substrate surface, very dense and hard coatings are possible, low cost. Disadvantages, there is some separate water cooling system is required. Uses, the cathode arc evaporation method has the following applications: hard wars, dense coatings, protective coating on lamps. Then pulsed laser deposition. This is a very new process and it is still in its developing phase. In this process, the coating substance is first evaporated by a laser beam and afterward emitted vapors and gets deposited on the substrate surface to form the coating. Advantages: real-time thickness control, no limitation in using a coating substance, can be used both inert and reactive gases, suitable for low melting point substrates such as plastics. Disadvantages are the equipment used is very expensive, no effective commercial machine yet. Thank you.